Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4.5, The Old Man and the Sea book review. Yesterday we have seen what the old man and sea tells us. It's the story of old and experienced scuba fisherman who was unsuccessful to catch the fish for 84 days. And after that he was succeed to catch the fish, but that fish was the marlin was too strong compared to the old man, and because of that he start pulling to the boat. And this the old man and the sea, this it is a story of the struggle of the old man and the marlin, and also after the latter half part of the story tells us of the struggle of old man and the shark fish. Now next part of the story, this lesson, social and historical context. Hemingway's novel is based on real events and it also draws heavily on his own life. Means Hemingway's novel is based on real event. Okay. And also this novel draws heavily on his own life. Means this novel draw the attention of the Hemingway's own life. Okay, Hemingway's own life, because Hemingway also he was struggle, he was a struggle person. Means before going to write any his writing career, he was struggle to his life. Okay, he had experience of fishing in the Cuban water, and like the old man he was also fan of baseball. Because Hemingway also he had experience of fishing in the Cuban water. Okay, and like that old man, Hemingway also have the experience of fishing in Cuban water. He was also fan of baseball. He was also fan of baseball. Baseball is a game in which are played in America continent mainly. He worked for the Red Cross during the First World War and was injured by shrapnel when he was in Italy. And he worked, Hemingway worked for the Red Cross. Red Cross, everyone know, Red Cross Society, which is work, which helped during the injured soldiers in the during the war period. Okay, and that time Red Cross, he was working for the Red Cross, and he worked through the Red Cross when there was a First World War. Okay, and also he was injured by shrapnel. See, meaning of shrapnel, a hollow projectile containing bullets on the like and bursting charge designed to explode before reaching the target and to set the show of missile. The equipment to destroy to the enemies. Okay, to destroy to the enemies missile. It's a missile. Okay, and it's help to destroy to the enemy's missile. It's a large, and Hemingway also was injured by the shrapnel when he was in Italy. Hemingway always talk about the need to struggle against defeat or death and how determination and endurance can help one up to win in the struggle. Hemingway, he has always talk about the need to struggle, okay, and against defeat or death, and how determination struggle against the defeat and death, and but that struggle is related to defeat and death, but determination and endurance can help win in this struggle. If you have the determination, if you have the endurance means the stamina or strength. Okay, strength of the any person, that strength, your determination can help to win in this struggle. And Hemingway also have the determination and struggle because he also won in his struggle. The old man is at the end of the novel very near death. In this novel also, the old man, he is at the end of the story, he was very near the death. But we know that the story of his suffering and loss will live on in the memories of the people of his village. but his struggling stories and his suffering stories is will live. It is will live because it's become the memory of the people of his village. Means story of the old man, it become the memories of his village people. Okay. Ultimately, his story becomes one of the triumph because the tales of his life will live on even after his death. Ultimately means finally, his story becomes one of the triumph. Triumph means uh, victory. His story become the victory because the tales of his life will live. Because his story of his life will live even after his death. Means he was dead, but after his death also his story was live. Okay, his story was live. The novel was published in 1952, and this novel, the means The Old Man and the Sea, this novel was published in 1952, when people were trying to recover from the mass destruction wrought by the two world war. And that time is it's the time of two world war, means first world war and second world war, means 1914 till 1952. It's the time of means people was uh, trying to recover from this mass destruction of these two war. Urat means work, means their work to recover from this two war. And these tales of endurance and ultimate triumph immediately struck a chord with the reader. And this tale means the story of the endurance. Endurance means the story of the strength or stamina of the old man. And final triumph means final victory immediately struck a chord. Chord means it is a combination of two or more symbol. Okay, combination of two means that story's heading is a chord. Okay, means The Old Man and the Sea, means there are means the old man is a one symbol and that sea is another symbol. Means it is the name of the story is a, means that heading of the story is a combination of two symbol. Okay, and it stuck to the, means this title of the story stuck to the reader to read this story. Means it bothered to the reader to read the story. Means title of the story bothered to the reader to read the story. Okay, then tomorrow we will learn the next part of the lesson. Thank you.